Hello and welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RBI pauses rate cut cycle, citing inflation worries. India's May trade deficit widens on high gold imports. L&T to bid for Coast Guard contracts worth 4,000 crore. The RBI on Monday kept the repo rate unchanged despite slowing growth, citing stubbornly high inflation following external factors leading to a rapidly weakening rupee. As the market expected, the central bank kept the repo rate, which is the rate at which it lends short-term funds to banks, at 7.25% and the CRR ratio unchanged at 4%. Stock markets, which had already factored in an unchanged policy, did not react much to the announcement. The rupee weakened by 0.57% to 57.87 against the dollar from 57.82 before the announcement. Moving on, India's May trade deficit increased to $20.1 billion from $17.8 billion in April because of high imports of gold, increasing pressure on the current account balance. Gold and silver imports rose nearly 90% year-on-year to $8.4 billion last month, as retail consumers in the world's biggest gold importer try to take advantage of a sharp fall in global prices. India has been struggling to control the current account deficit that hit an all-time high of 6.7% of GDP in the December quarter. The deficit has increased the recent fall of the Indian rupee vis-a-vis the dollar and other major currencies. Overall, merchandise imports rose about 7% to $44.65 billion, while exports fell 1.1% to $24.5 billion, the Trade Ministry said. Moving on to the corporate sector, M.V. Kotwal, president of Larsen & Toubro's Heavy Engineering Department, said that the company will bid for 4 Indian Coast Guard contracts worth 4,000 crore rupees. L&T also plans to bid for 2 landing platform docks that will be awarded by the Indian government. To promote the growth of Indian defense companies, the government has rolled out a new program seen as favoring domestic firms. It is also looking to partially remove restrictions on foreign companies investing in Indian companies in the defense sector. Lastly, the markets rose for the second straight session. The Sensex gained 148 points to close at 19,326, while the Nifty gained 42 points to close at 5,850. The gain was led by Mahindra & Mahindra after its parent company sealed a share swap deal with Spanish company CIE Auto. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching.